Welcome back. I'm Avi, your guide in learning to code in Python. In the last video, I wrote a greeting program which asked the user for their name. In this video, I'm going to show you how I program a tip calculator in Python. Like the greeting program, the tip calculator will also ask the user, the person who uses our program, to give some input. The input this time will be the tip percent as a whole number. So, let's get coding. I've coded out 4 variables to start: green teas, sushi plates, green tea price, and sushi plate price. By multiplying on the last 2 lines and printing the results, I get the cost per item. What about the final total? We can get that with these 2 lines of code. There's a reason why we save the total in a new variable, which we will get to in just a moment. Before that, we need to get the tip percent from the user. I live in the US, and tips here typically range from 15 to 20%. So when I run my program, I will put in 20. But we're not done coding yet. With this, our program has calculated the tip. Try changing your code to see what happens. As always, please leave your questions in the comments below. Until next time.